Hello everyone, good to see you at Globe of ICT YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you screen recording, a very simple screen recording. Yes, actually it takes a lot of space on your computer, right? During where you experience a lot hanging of your computer. So it's time to get rid from those softwares. We would use PowerPoint for screen recorder. Yes, I'm not joking. I'm serious. It requires a screen in very high definition, very good recording. So come on, let's see how it records. In Windows 10, in the start bar, you write PowerPoint. This PowerPoint. This is actually Windows Microsoft 365. This is Microsoft 365. There are features in other versions of PowerPoint. So here you would open blank presentation. So first step. So after blank presentation, now go to insert. Second step. Here you are. You see this one? Screen recording. Click it. Here you are. Now this is the option to record the pointer, this pointer. And this is to select the area. This area are more than this area. Now we are recording up to here. This one. So let's start recording now. To start, Windows logo Shift and Q to start the recording. So let's see. So let's just demonstrate about steganography in this recording. This is steganography. This method or technique to hide data within data. This method technique doesn't attract attention as an object of scrutiny. Looks like it is data, heavy image, but it hides an important message inside it. You can see this figure. This is the data. This is hidden in this image. And we do this in Windows 10. It is default option in Windows 10. Now enter Window Shift and Q. Here you are. After that, this is the recording. You can see. You can play over it here. Windows logo Shift and Q to start the recording. So let's see. So let's just demonstrate about steganography in this recording. This is steganography. This method or technique to hide data within data. This method technique, and you can save in video format. So how to do it? Just go in File and Save as. Browse. Go into Videos. PowerPoint. Screen Recorder. And save as type. Choose it as video. This MPEG-4 video. And save it. It would take some time. I think about 5 minutes. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Okay, now let's go in that folder where we have saved our video in videos. Here it is, PowerPoint screen recorder. So here you can see, you can play it. Press play. Start Windows logo Shift and Q to start the recording. So let's see. This is the PowerPoint screen
Let's
recorder.
just demonstrate about steganography in this recording.
This is in very high
This
definition.
is steganography. This method will take to hide data within
It's a
data.
very cool method.
This method doesn't take attention as an object of scrutiny. Looks like it is data, i.e. image, but it hides an important message inside it. You can see this.
So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Globe of ICT and also hit bell icon as you receive my notification. Thank you. Bye bye.